weather, sponsored by Disney on Ice presents Passport to Adventure.
It is the weekend, and Kristen is here to tell us how you can plan for it, too.
Yeah, I think you're going to like it. Temperatures slightly above average, but nothing that's going to keep you indoors. Take a look at what we are seeing on our sky cam in Coronado right now. A beautiful sunset. Starting to see some clouds rolling in, but the thicker cloud cover is going to hold off tonight until probably once you're asleep, about 10, 11 o'clock, unless you're a night owl. Here's the weather story for you. Here's what to expect. We're going to see temperatures slightly above average both Saturday and Sunday, and then we will see fog extending up to 20 miles inland tomorrow morning. That will clear by about 10 a.m., and then we'll have breezy afternoons for the next couple days, just like today when we got some 20-mile-per-hour gusts out there. And while it's warm for the next couple days, a cool down is coming on Monday. Right now, we are seeing 73 in Ramona, 75 in Alpine, El Cajon 73, Chula Vista, good evening to you, 74 there. It's 73 in Escondido, and we're seeing the low 70s in San Diego right now as well. Temperatures in our inland communities are up a few degrees from this time yesterday, and look at the mountains. We're up about 7 degrees from 24 hours ago in Julian. So high pressure continuing to keep those temperatures climbing for the next couple of days, but a storm is brewing up in the Pacific Northwest. That is going to head our way, not bringing us any precipitation, but bringing us much cooler temperatures. In fact, Monday through Friday, temperatures will be 3 to 15 degrees below average. Tonight, we're going to cool down to 63 in Poway, 56 in Ramona. El Cajon, you'll cool down to 64. We'll see 66 in San Diego. Tomorrow, Point Loma, you're going to see a high of 76, 87 for Poway. We're going to see 84 in Santee, Del Mar, 74, Vista, 76, and over in Mount Laguna, look for a high of 80. The 7-day looks really nice at the coast. Breezy tomorrow, 77 is the high, 75 on Sunday. Look at Tuesday, how cool we're going to get. 70 degrees, and we're going to keep it in the 70s all week long. For our inland communities, tomorrow I'm calling your high 86 degrees, sunshine after that, fog in the morning, 85 on Sunday, and then look at Monday, 78 degrees. We keep it in the 70s Monday through Thursday, and even Friday, not looking too bad at 80 degrees. For the mountains tomorrow, we'll see 86, and for the deserts, 106. And you guys, can you believe that this time a year ago, we were in the 90s?
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
It's quite a cool down from
Huge difference.
a year ago.
Yeah,
No
very
complaints.
nice.
None whatsoever.
We'll take it.